ever wondered, in early days, when we used to roam around our houses, we get less signals in some places and good signals in some other places. But nowadays, this problem is avoided to a greater extent. And many of the signal emitting devices, such as routers and Wi-Fi repeaters, have two antennas. Have you ever wondered why all these are happening in today's world? Well, the answer is simple. It's due to beamforming.
Beamforming. Our group members.
Introduction to beamforming. As step 1, omnidirectional antennas spread the energy equally in all directions. So, it has a high power loss. But cellular transmission needs transmission in specific directions and not in all directions. So, as step 2, we got some other options than the omnidirectional antenna. The option was to use directional antennas. It directed the energy in specific directions. But we had to change the direction manually in each instances. We need a better option to transmit signal to any devices automatically. So, as step 3, scientists and engineers came with the idea of beamforming. Demonstration of beamforming. To demonstrate how beamforming works, let's take a look at a 2-element transmitter. We use the energy from both element transmitters to focus a specific location when the laptop moves. We can use beamforming to calculate the energy so it moves along with the device. Now let's take a look at a skyward view of the radiating patterns from each element transmitter. As you can see, the pulses are identical from each transmitter. As the rings radiates out, you can see the points which they cross and the points in which they don't cross. The points in which they cross create a phase amplitude, effectively a higher energy in the signal. The wonder of beamforming is the antennas are going to detect the location of the device and going to delay the wave by radiating the wave with specific phase difference. In this way, the antennas are going to create the waveforms to cross artificially where the device is located. Hence, the device is going to get a good signal. Effect of adding more antenna elements. Now let's see what happens when we add more elements to the antenna. When we add elements to the antenna, the side lobes increase in number just as when we increase separation. But when we add elements, the gain of the side lobes also increases. Advantages. What are the advantages of beamforming? More power is directed in the beam's specified directions, so we get a higher signal quality reaches the receiving device, which increases the coverage capacity of the cell tower or base station. There are faster information transfers and fewer errors. There is less signal interference between devices since signals are only broadcast where needed, and analog beamforming is relatively simple to implement and has lower power requirements. Beamforming has the potential to become most common in 5G networks and Wi-Fi, and also it has the ability to help communication networks to meet future data rates and the network capacities. In addition to that, as this beamforming algorithm improves, it will be able to select more cheaper data paths. So it's clear that this beamforming is the base for many future communication technologies. I hope that you got a very good understanding about this technology. Thank you.